Hi, so now we have everything working, our templates, we can open all the products, one product and so on. So we need to add the front-end templates that we've downloaded at the first lecture. So now I'm gonna open OLX loan template and let's get the pages that we need. First of all, we need the single page. We need this page, so we're gonna take this page. And we need a page for all the products. So this is for post ad, login, feedback, index, contact, categories, all classified. So let's open this categories. So this is for the category. Okay, and let's open the all classified. So this is for all the products or something. So we have this all products. Okay, so now we have all classified and we have single. This is the all and the detail. So let's open our project. So I'm gonna open dev tutorials. I'm gonna open OLX clone src, and we have our product app. We have the templates, the templates web product, and we have the all classified and single. So first of all, in all classified in product list, I'm gonna take this name copy and I'm gonna delete this, move to trash, and I'm gonna rename this to product list. And for product detail, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna move this to trash and I'm gonna add this to the product single. Just like this. And now, if we refresh our page, we're gonna see many things actually. There is nothing in here. So why this is happening? What is this? Actually, this is our site, but we don't have static files. We don't have HTML, CSS. We don't have, CSS, JavaScript, and so on. So if we take a look at the console, we cannot load all the images, files, and so on. So we need to fix this. So here I'm going to take the images, the GS, the CSS, the fonts. I'm going to take those copy, and let's open our project. I'm going to create a new folder here with name of static, and we've added the settings for this static before. So I'm going to add this. This is the main files to our project. And now let's open this. So this is the product detail, and this is the product list. Awesome. So now, here in the main directory of our project, beside the managed by NDB, I'm going to create a new folder with name of templates. Although we've created this folder in our product, we're going to create a main templates folder which contains the base file. Okay, don't worry. And in this clone, I'm going to take the index.py as a base file. Don't worry, I'm going to call this base.html. Okay. And here, let's open this base.html from templates, base.html. Okay. So now we have this base.html and all the information in this base. Okay. So let's go up. And first of all, we have this CSS bootstrap and so on. We need to change this both to a Django static path. So first of all, I'm gonna load static. We're gonna say load static to load the static files, to load the Django static files. Okay. And for this URL, we're gonna write it like this: static, then single quote to this, and we're gonna end this like this. So we've added a static, and in static, you're gonna move to CSS bootstrap recommended CSS. So in static, So in static, we have CSS, we have bootstrap recommended CSS, and this is file bootstrap recommended CSS. So now let's refresh, but we will not be able to see this right now because we're not opening this page. Okay, and we need to do this with all the links in here. So let's take this copy, let's add it in here, and let's close this. We need to edit with the style.css. With the flex slider. With the font also. And we need to edit with the GS actually. With this. And with this. So to see those changes, we can take this copy and change the product list and remove those. Bootstrap select, yeah, and remove those and add ours. Sorry, so let's copy this again. From this select to the head. Now product list from select to the head, yeah, and let's save this. Let's save this and let's refresh our page. So we have now we have an error. Valid block tag, and did you forget to load this tag? Because we did not add load static here. Load static, yeah. So now let's refresh. As we can see some front end right now because we've added some of the CSS files and so on. So let's go on modifying those information. So on the base, I'm gonna go on. So we have this. Let's take this, yeah. And for the base, let's go modifying those information. So we're gonna see. And for the CSS, sorry, we need to add all these static settings to all the required files in our project, like CSS, JavaScript, images, and so on. This takes some time actually, but don't worry, we are about to finish. We can select this in VS Code and press Command D or Control D to select the one blue, and so on. And we can edit all of them at once, like this. So now we've modified all the CSS and JavaScript files. So and now we have the body. You have all those information. Choose your location, your language. Let's move down. It's all the language, all the available languages. And we have sell or advertise. So let's take a look at this actually. This is this sell or advertise anything. So do we have this? We have this, let's say, this header in every page. So we will keep it in this page. And we have those categories. So we're gonna stop in here, content start here. So we're gonna, and this is the footer actually. So we will delete this content in our base. And we have the href. Yeah, so now everything is working. So we've just collected the content, and in the product list, here we're gonna delete everything except the content. So let's move down. Our model. So now we have the products. So let's take a look at this page. Yeah. So now we will delete all. Now we have the footer. We'll delete all the information above this body, like this, and we will delete also the footer with beneath. Yeah. So now we have all the products. Why we are doing this? Because we're gonna inherit those styles from our base. So now our base contains only the styles, the header, the footer, the basic information, and we're gonna inherit those information in our product list and then our property. So here in our base, I'm gonna say block, and I'm gonna say block body. So now this product list, Django will take this product list, this tag, and they will add it inside this block body. And here we're gonna say block body, the same name, like this. And we need to tell the Django that this and that we're gonna extend this page from our base.html. So we're gonna say extend base.html. So now if we open our product list, we should see everything was working fine. We've got an error. Template does not exist at /products. So we get an error. So first of all, let's see our settings, the BY, to see if we add things for templates or not. So here in templates, the directories for templates, we did not add something, so we're gonna say templates. Okay, just like this. And here, let's refresh our page. So now we have everything is working fine. We have sell or advertise anything online with the reseller, and we have the categories, we have the ads with footers, and so on. We have the name contains and the search, and we have almost everything we need to go on with our project. So now everything is working fine. We just need to remove the unnecessary things in our HTML file, like the select language and select region. It's not important in this part of the course, and remove the unnecessary things from our templates. But I think everything is clear to you right now. We just added, or we just included the static files in our project using the static tag in the Django templates, and we've added this in the base.html. Then we've deleted the body of this page, and we've added a block body. Then we've included this tag, the main tag or the body tag of the product list, and we've inherited the static or the header, the footer, the static files from the base.html. So we're gonna do this with the detail, and we're gonna remove the unnecessary things from our templates. And we're gonna do this, but in the next lecture. See you next lecture.